So every year I can bank on people reaching out to me, friends, family, random strangers that I don't know, asking me questions about these. Can you see that? What about now? I don't know if you can see that. Seed heads. Seed heads show up in people's lawns every year around this time, especially cool season lawns. Warm season too, all grass types do this, but I get questions about it. People want to know, is it normal? What does it mean? Should I worry about them? What do I do about it? Well, that's what I want to talk about today. Here we go. Now, as temperatures increase around this time of year, the lawns are going to want to start to respond to that. And one of the ways that they do that is by reproducing. Don't go there. What they do is they grow seeds and they produce seed heads, which is very normal. Now, unfortunately for the lawn, these seed heads are sterile. Bummer. They're not going to produce any new growth. They're not going to germinate. However, they are full of nutrients. And those nutrients should be recycled back into the lawn. And they can be absorbed by the root system as they break down and used to the lawn's benefit. Now, if you want to get rid of those seed heads a little bit quicker, you could consider lowering your height of cut on your lawnmower just a notch, and that'll get rid of the majority of those seed heads off the surface of the lawn. But consider mulching those in to take advantage of all of that nutritional benefit. Now, speaking of the shortcut turf, I do still have seed heads in my front yard, which is mowed at 3/4 of an inch, but they are a lot fewer and far between. And the places I do see them are usually only near the sidewalks where there's a lot more heat. So if you're looking for ways to keep seed heads out of your lawn, consider mowing shorter. And if you're already mowing shorter, you can use a plant growth regulator, and that also suppresses seed heads. Now, as a bonus point, seed heads actually make it easier to identify grass types. Every grass type has a specific and unique seed head structure. Here's a few examples. So next time you see seed heads in your lawn, don't panic. It's okay. There's nothing to worry about. It's just the lawn doing its thing. All you need to do is mow. So I hope that's helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments section. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button, and if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.